Hello, everybody! Back! Pero hello, welcome to the stream. Lah, marunong pa ba ako magganito? Anyway,
Mamma mia!
ina mo! Ay, so... okay. First blood. First blood. Nakakainis. Pero hello, welcome to the stream po. Hindi gumagana yung, meron lang ako hindi magawa yung shoutout. Hindi ko magawa yung shoutout. Kaya welcome back to me. Welcome back to me. Shoutout ko na lang kayo. Sigawan ko kayo dito. Pero yun, thank you so much Dan for the hello everybody. Ay, may ganon. May nagpi-playback. Yan. Anyway, tayo po ay maglalaro ng coffee talk. Yan. Sa mga mahilig magkape at mag-anels. Tayo po ay magpugay sa mga kape-kape. Malamig na naman kasi ngayon. So, uulan na naman po kaya tayo nag-take 2. Thank you so much, Dan, for welcoming me back. At, ayan. Ganito na po ang itsura ni Mama Mia Place ngayon. Hindi na ako payat na Kailan naman ba akong pumayat? Kasi, never pa naman ata akong pumapayat in my life. Pero ganito na po ang itsura ni Mama Mia ngayon. Short hair na at malaki na naman ang aking mga pisngi. Yes. At yan. Tayo po ay maglalaro. Asa na ba ang lalaroin? Yes po, may game. Believe it or not, may game. Ayap po. Meron na akong nalaro before. Tapos naman ng sounds nito. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Sandali lang. Dali lang, ang lakas ng life. Ang tapang nung kape. Yan. Meron na kasi tayong game before na nalaro na natin to before. Nalaro na natin to before at hindi ko maalala yung kwento. So, okay lang ba? Okay lang bang laruin natin to ulit? Bago tayo magsimulang Coffee Talk 2. Kasi meron na akong Coffee Talk 2. So, mas maganda ata laruin na. Kasi meron akong game progress dito. Hindi ko lang alam yung mga... Nakalimutan ko na talaga kasi siya. And I think Coffee Talk is the perfect comeback to me. Ganon. Comeback game. Comeback stream to me. To you. Yes. Relax pa rin sa tenga ko. Shucks, sandali lang. My ears hurt. Taray, my ears hurt. But, yes. We are slowly going back to stream. Kasi wala lang. Parang na-miss ko lang. Na-miss ko mag-stream. Na-miss ko yung community. Na-miss ko yung mga tao. Na-miss ko magsalita ng mga kalokohan. Yan. Happy stream. Thank you so much, Dandays. Okay guys, hindi talaga ako maka-shoutout. May problem sa aking shoutout stuff. But yeah, most of you guys are working right now. Ako, magtatrabaho dapat ako, pero, mamaya na lang. Tapos, yung mga streams ko, most likely ganitong oras. Kasi, pagkahatid ko kay Mori, baka pwede ako mag-stream saglit in the afternoon. And, bago ko siya sunduin. Kapag susunduin ko na siya, doon na tayo mag-stop ng stream. Which is 3:45. Yan, kasi 1 to 4 ang window ko lang for streaming na by myself. So anyway, start na tayo mag-game. Pasensya na kayo kung hindi ako masyadong magsasalita or I'll try my best to talk. Kasi medyo naninibago pa ako ng konti. Naninibago pa ako ng konti sa stream. Parang ilang buwan. Ilang buwan na rin akong hindi consistent mag-stream. Parang lagi akong nagha-hiatus for some weird reason. Yeah, pero try natin yung best natin na mag-stream. So, yan. Anong pangalan? Si Mori, kwento ko lang, si Mori parang nagsa-start na siyang maging interested sa Filipino language. Kaya, super trying hard yung bata mag-Tagalog. It's nakakatuwa. Kasi, alam mo yun, not all kids nowadays is marunong mag-Tagalog or marunong mag-Filipino. So, support. So, what's my name? Mama Mia na lang. Kasi yung last time, Mia lang. Mama Mia. Oh. Change bag. Ito, mayroon na kasi akong episode 2. Ayoko kasing simulan yung episode 2 na hindi ko alam yung context ng 1. At ang lakas pa rin talaga ng sounds. Ay, hindi. Okay lang itong ambient. Yan. Okay lang ba yung ganyang sounds? Hindi ba masyadong malakas? Yan. Para medyo lang, mellow. Melody. Charot.
Kalbo!
Ay, takina mo! Hoy! Sino yan? Puro! Ayan. Ala, umuulan! Wala guys, umuulan na naman po sa Baguio City. Meron na naman ba tayong bagyo? Pero hi Puro, hindi kita ma-shoutout kasi sira ang shoutout. Shoutout. Tapos sigawan na lang kita. Hi! Ganon. Shoutout. Puro Con Desu. Pero welcome sa stream. Welcome po. Hindi na ako marunong mag-stream. Period. So, magta-try tayo maglaro ng Coffee Talk. Para pag sinimulan ko yung Coffee Talk 2, yung Hibiscus and Butterfly, alam na natin yung context ng episode 1. Nakalimutan ko kasi. So, play na natin kasi hindi naman tayo unlimited time. Period. Di yan magiging okay. Anong di yan magiging okay? Okay uli yan, The Rust streaming. Yes. Kung mapapansin nyo, nagiging active na rin ako. Magiging okay ka uli. Ang gulo mo kasi! Kung mapapansin nyo, nagiging active na ako ulit. Sorry, kulang ng koma. Kulang sa koma. Yes, okay lang yan. Importance of, ano ba tawag sa mga ganyan? Period, koma. Anong tawag sa mga ganon? Anong tawag sa period, koma, punctuation? Punctuation? Punctual? Oh, anyway, punctuation marks. Ayun. Ayan, so simulan na natin ang ating kape. Kape tayo, guys. Umuulan kasi. Umuulan ulit. Malamig-lamig na naman ang anels. Kahit naman mainit, nagkakape kayo. Kunwari pa kayo. Okay. Anyway, a city filled with dreams and madness. So, nasa Seattle daw sila. A time when the Great War began. Ay! Meron pala akong bagong mic. Tapos, parang hinahayaan niya akong maging tunog konsensya. Try nga natin. Ay, hi Sir Ars! Thank you so much for the 20 beats. Lurk lang me. Magandang hapon. Ay, magandang babae at lalaki sa atin lahat. Salamat po sa mga sagasa ninyo guys. Salamat po. At least hindi naman ako nasasaktan. Eto, teka lang. May ganito yung mic ko. Hello? Hello? Naririnig pa? Parang okay ba? Hello? Dapat ganito yung yung naririnig ng mga tao. Magbayad ka na ng utang. May utang ka pa kay ganito. Yan. Parang konsensya. Nagbayad ka na ba ng kuryente? Tubig? Upa? Gano'n. Konsensya vibes. Oo, yun. Nakakatuwa. May konsensya vibes yung mic ko. Wala kasi akong konsensya eh. Kaya idaan ko na lang sa mic. Ayan. So, basahin na lang natin ng ganito. Konsensya time yung annals. Yung, ano man to. Ito. Okay. Ooh. A time when the Great War begin. A time when the Great War between races is but a footnote in history. A time when anyone can dream of being whatever they want to be. And have those dreams crushed before they can even be discussed. But still, it is a place and time where anything can happen. Wow! Necessary ba sa konsensya yung nagwawa? Wow! It is when the elves have left the forest to build their startups. When the dwarves have emerged from their caves to start their automotive empires. Wow! Ayaw nga no, si Frieren. When the orcs have put down their axes and started using computers to improve their lives. Wow! And when humans live among them as driven as ever. Wow! It is a city that holds that many dreams and stories of its people. Wow! Ayan na yung kape. Most of these stories are left untold. Wow! But some few find solace in the embrace of bricks and wood and glass. Wow! They are told over drinks, then take up residence in some stranger's memories. Wow! Opa! In one corner of the city stands a coffee shop. Wow! A place that is only open when the sun is sleeping. Ooh, gabi lang. A place where people share their stories. And these are their stories. Wow! Dapat may sound effect tayo na okay, tanggalin na natin yung konsensya vibes kasi barista na tayo today. Diba? Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. Diba? May paplema-plema pa yung konsensya. May ubo. May ubo yung konsensya. Sandali. Welco! Oh, it's you! Hey, Mama Mia, how's the night so far? Taray. Si Freya. Si Freya yung... Itong person. It's calm, as usual. Ayan no, saktong-sakto. Umuulan sa kanila, umuulan din dito sa amin. We've got a slight problem though. Bakit talaga na boss pag meron akong... what happened? Ulandis? Totoo. Sana wag naman umulan sa inyo or something. Dito kasi umuulan. Susunduin ko pa si Morris once. By the way, ang cute ni Mori dyan sa gilid. Kasi alam niyo naman umaaligid-aligid yung anak ko. Sa stream. My supplier made a logistical error. I don't have half of my ingredients today. Man, that's a bummer. Don't worry. I can still serve the caffeine you desperately need. Ang cute ng tawa niya, nagaan. Diyos ko. Boy, pero kapag umulan sa inyo, hindi ko kasi sure kung pag umulan ba sa inyo is lalong iinit or parang alimuom style or magiging hawaan kayo kasi medyo lalamig. Hindi ko alam. Sensya na. Para talaga ako magkakasakit today. Pero I still chose to stream. Ganun talaga. Priorities. Priority na natin si Mama Mia, please. Okay? You're our first customer after all. Don't worry. Take your time. I'm a writer, not an editor. So I'm used to taking things slow. Ooh. Hey, writer's block again? You got that right. What are you writing now? Do you remember my plan to... Oh, ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ay! Pardon the interruption. Yung machine pala. Akala ko dito sa bahay. Akala ko dito sa amin yung sounds. Ayan. Do you want your triple shot espresso now? Yes, please. And if you forget how to make it, just check your phone, okay? Yan, pwede pala mag-codigo. Anyway, I really need that triple shot espresso tuloy. Espresso. It's that me espresso. I'm working late. 'Cause I'm a singer. Triple shot espresso daw. Triple. So, anong gagawin? I forgot. Tomodachil? What's Tomodachil? Brewpad. Tingnan natin. So parang, ay, undiscovered. Marami pang undiscovered. Nar! Triple shot espresso. It's that me espresso. I'm working late. Blacker than moonless night. Blacker? Okay. Anong gagawin? Freya Storyteller, Georgie, Police, Gala. Oh. Friends only. Ala yung ulo niya. Sorry. September. Ba't lahat sila puro September, no? Speaking nga pala guys, kaya pala ako nagpursiging mag-stream at bumalik sa stream is parang I think okay naman akong bumalik ng August kasi it's my birth month. Yay! Malapit na tayong mag-level up. Mag-level up na naman tayo in life. So, parang inisip ko, pa-birthday ko na lang sa sarili ko is come back ni Mama Mia Place. Paano ba to? So, may susundin. Okay. Gusto niya tignan ko daw lahat. Triple shot espresso daw sa 3. Tingnan nga natin. Oo nga pala. Ito yung crash it, serve it. Tingnan nga natin kung magugustuhan niya. Triple shot. Nagustuhan niya. Oh. Yay! Yun yung gusto niya. Nice. You plan to do something? Teka lang. Wait lang ah. Oh, okay. As a game. In-game yung ano. It's not that I hate writing stories for the newspaper, you know? But it seems like the right time for something bigger. So, a novel? Yes. It sounded so simple when I was making the plan. At least you still have your job. In case things go awry. Awry? Away? Hehehe. Ha ha ha. Guys, in real life, ganito talaga ako tumawa. As in capital letters. With a bunch of exclamation point. Ganito talaga ako tumawa. Sa mga tao na nakakakilala sa akin, you know. No, you were right. You said something I should have thought about myself. What are you talking about? You know who owns the Evening Whispers? Parang napkin lang. GRA Media, right? Yes. And they are also the biggest book publisher in the country. So when an opportunity presented itself, I took it. What do you mean by opportunity? Well, I bumped into one of the big guys in the elevator. So naturally, I pitched my book idea. Oh no! At nagkatitigan na nga po ang mga tao. Come on, don't look at me like that. Are you for real? For real! Like pa niya si Bruno Mars. Yeah, I know. It was such a stupid thing to do. So how did they react? Thankfully, he'd seen my short stories. So he challenged me. If I can get a draft ready in a month, he'll pull some strings. Ooh, and get that fiction publishing division. Wow, to sign me up for a publishing deal. Nice. That sounds great. What about your job at the Evening Whispers? Do you have time to do both? That's the hard part. I've been secretly working on the novel during office and I'm falling behind on the newspaper's deadlines. No, if the chief finds out, she'll probably kick me out. Ouch. Well, at least you've got a month to finish the initial draft. Oh no, wag ka mawalan ng internet. Okay. That was last week. Grabe. Again, don't look at me like that. How far along are you? Hehe. I assume the number of words you have written is not too far from 0. Hey, that's rude. I've written some stuff, you know. May I see it? Well, it was so bad that, well, after reading it, I decided just to delete everything immediately. Okay. So, 0? Yes. I really need to finish it in, at most, 2 weeks. Oh my gosh. Then I'll use the extra week to polish and do some editing. Sounds like a plan. If you can pull it off. I know. You don't need to be so cynical about it. That's why I'm here today. I'm hoping to find some inspiration. I wrote some of the best short stories here, you know. Really? Glad this place could be of service. Oh, it looks like someone's coming. Kidding! Kidding! Ay, eto! Siya! Nako. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano kwento niya. I remember you. I forgot. Hi there. Hello. Good evening. For here, miss? Yes, please. I'm not really sure what to order though. What do you recommend? That depends highly on your mood. I'm just here to meet my boyfriend. Ooh, eyeball. Not planning to be awake all night. So definitely no coffee. How about something chocolatey? The chocolatey buddy. It's perfect for this weather. Speaking, parang gusto ko rin tuloy ng kape. Guys, kape. Kape tayo. Let's drink some coffee. That's a good idea, actually. Thank you. You're welcome. So, anong gusto niya? Anything with anything with chocolate in, please. Anything with chocolate daw. Tingin tayo dito sa blue pad. Dark chocolate. Anything daw with chocolate. Chocolate. So, bigyan kaya natin siya ng mocha. Mukha mo. Charot. Ah, mali. No. Reset. Chocolate. Milk. Ay? Bitter daw siya. Ayaw mo ng may coffee. Bakit? Diwag. Ay, takina mo! Ano ba yun? Lakas ako. Wag na pala akong magkape, guys. Ang last to kidlat, wisit. Sandali nga. Muulan na naman dito. Uy, try nga natin latte art. Paano ba? Etch. Etch. Serve na nga lang. Sorry na. 1 cup of chocolatey goodness. Chocolatey buddy. Thank you. So warm. So you're waiting for your boyfriend? Yes, he should be here soon. Look at you now. Ala, lakas ng kidlat, guys. Teka lang. Wait. Check ko lang yung connection ko. Anyways, let's continue. Wag lang sana tayong mag-end stream agad. Ay, hindi mag-end stream ako pala after 30 minutes. 40 minutes. May 40 minutes pa ako. You went from empty to 3 customers in one night. 3? I thought this place would be more crowded, considering it's the only coffee shop that's still open after midnight around here. Ooh. Because it's the only coffee shop that still opens past midnight. It's mostly empty. Now that you've mentioned it, is it good for business having the coffee shop only open at night? Definitely not. Yep, what she said. Then why? I just love doing it. And there's always someone longing for a warm drink at this hour. That's fascinating. Oo nga pala, no? Bukod sa Starbucks, meron bang mga 24 hours coffee shop? Like, katulad nito, itong coffee shop natin, meron bang katulad nito here in the Philippines na they are open 24 hours aside from Starbucks? Ah, parang cozy, ewan ko. Meron ba? Dito ba meron? Parang Starbucks na. Jollibee. McDo. 24 hours drive-thru. Pero hindi ko lang sure sa Manila if meron mga 24 hours na or parang nag-open lang yung coffee shop like midnight to morning. Parang ganon. Tapos sarado sila during the day. I don't know. Pardon me for asking. But ito na nga. But how can you survive running the coffee shop like this? That's the secret. Mamma Mia is here is a damn rich. That's the secret. Sana all damn, char. Sana all rich. Oh really? She's exaggerating. Don't worry about it. Mamma Mia can manage. Yes. I'm sure this place isn't going bankrupt anytime soon. So you still have a weird, quiet place to meet up at night. That's good to hear. By the way, are you a regular here? I don't really have anywhere else to. Ay! Namo, sorry. Sorry. Gusto ko lang ilak yung upuan ko. Bakit bumaba? Ayun. Okay. I don't really have anywhere else to go. I'm a writer who works best at night and in a coffee shop. Not so many options for that. Ah, no wonder. She's a pretty good writer, you know. You can find some of her stories in the Evening Whispers. Shut up! Wow, that's really interesting. What kind of things do you cover? I cover the stories of people around town. Personal, interesting, weird stories. I also contribute to their short stories. I love their fiction. You wrote those stories? Thank you! I wrote most of them, but not all. That's so cool. Then are you here to write a new piece? I should be, but I don't even know what to write about. Tinganinganinganing. Dapat doon tayo sa konsensya eh. Maglagay tayong konsensya konti. Yun! Girl! Yung mukha ni sir. Mukhang titigan ng ganyan. Hey. Welcome. Hi. Parang gano'n yun. Parang gano'n yung naiisip kong boses niya. Hi. Sorry to keep... siya yung boyfriend! Sorry to keep you waiting. It's okay. I had a nice chat with the fine folks here. Hi there. Hello. Hi, would you like to order something? Surprise me. Wah! Ganon. Ganon ba yung mga atake? What kind of order is that? Secret. Well, I don't really know what to order. Yun lang. Do you have any preferences, sir? Something bitter to keep me awake with milk. Oh, and just some latte. Hindi ako marunong mag-latte art on the top. Something bitter to keep me awake. Yo. Hindi ako marunong mag-latte art. GG. Speaking of milk green tea, naalala ko si Prof. Sa mga mahilig Anong invert? Etch. Ano to? Nakakaloka. Diyos ko. Paano mo naman imumove to? Ano ba yung madalas na ginagawa ko dati sa coffee shop? Heart lang eh. Sige, try natin yung heart. Paikot-ikot, ikot-ikot, tapos yung. Kailangan circle. Ano to? Si Jesus! Wala! Parang si Jesus! Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-latte art. Nakakaloka. Teka, pour milk. Sige na. Okay. Tree of Life. Ano to? Pakpak. Ayoko na. Paniki yarn. Ano na yan? Nakakaloka. Ayoko na. Sige na nga. Nakakainis. So parang gusto niya kape. Okay. Anyway, I was distracted by some work. Plus, there's the rain. It's okay. Baileys. Yun yung name niya. I was having a nice chat with them. Ooh. Oh yeah, I haven't properly introduced myself. I'm Baileys. Oh my, where are my manners? I haven't introduced myself either. My name is Lua. Ooh. Hi, I'm Freya. Nice to meet both of you. I'm Mamma Mia. Hey, did you know that Freya here is a writer for the Evening Whispers? Oh, really? Ay, wait lang. Yan. Oh, really? I've done some work for them a few times. Oh, what kind of work? I'm a freelance designer and illustrator. Ooh. I've done some caricatures and infographics for the paper. I assume you were in a contract with Steve? Yep, he's a nice guy to work with. Oh, really? No, he isn't. But I've dealt with the worst clients. Way worse. Yeah, I'm glad he's in the design and visuals department. I wouldn't be able to stand working with him directly. Haha, come on. He's tough to deal with, but definitely not the worst. Oh, of course. No matter how deep you go, there's always another layer of hell. How do you usually deal with bad customers here? Ay! Hoy! Hoy, ano yan? Sino yan? Hi, Tora! Good afternoon! Welcome to the stream. Uy, maulan ha. Umuulan dito. Ang lakas ng ulan dito sa amin. Parang may bagyo ulit. May bagyo ba tayo ulit, guys? Oo naman! Kukwento ko rin kung bakit ako nawala. Wala naman, maulan lang. Ha? Maulan din dyan. Ako, paano ko pa susunduin yung Junakis ko niyan? The only bad customers this late at night are lost drunks or criminals. Pero yun, ngayong August, I will try my best to be consistent with streaming. Parang comeback na ni Mama Mia, please. Yun talaga yung plano ko before. Na pagpasok ng August, as a birthday treat for myself is babalik ako mag-stream. Babalik tayo as Mama Mia Plays. Yun. So, yan. Yeah. Mga bird month. Kaya, kung mapapansin nyo, nagiging active ulit ako sa social media platforms. Sa social media platforms ni Mama Mia Plays. Yun, parang trying to get used to using social media again. Connecting with the community, ganon. Plays, family, let's go. Let's go! Hoy, hindi ka na Plays, no? Isetsu Benitora ka na. Parang, unti-unting bumabalik ang mga, ano ba tawag sa atin ulit? Plays group of company. Plays group of companies. Blame Twitch. Oo nga. Parang sabay-sabay ata tayo nag-transition noon dati. Transition kami from Facebook sa mga hindi ko nakakaalam. Galing po kaming Facebook gaming. So, doon kami nag-start. Doon kami nakapag-build ng small community namin and platforms. Platforms tuloy. Community and gaming community namin. Tapos, medyo pangit na siya. Pangit na si Blue platform. Lumipat kami kay Purple. Unti-unti. Tapos, yun yung nakama cross ni Tora. Okay lang, kwento ko Nakama cross ni Tora na roadblock is hindi applicable or hindi pwede yung name niya, Facebook name niya sa Twitch. Kaya naganap siya ng ibang pangalan at ayan na po tayo. Naging Kisetsu Benitora na siya. Sa Facebook po, siya ay si Red Tiger Plays. Ako po si Mama Mia Plays. At meron pa pong isang Plays, si Kyrie Plays. Ayan, kami po ang Plays Group of Company. Pero okay lang kasi parang mas okay yung name ni Kisetsu Benitora ngayon sa Twitch. Mas marami. Anyways. So yan, welcome back to me and welcome back to you. Ayan. So ngayong August po, mga ganitong time slot po ang available sa akin kasi sa gabi po ako ay nag-work. At ngayong 1 to 4, usually ganun yung magiging time slot for Mama Mia Plays kasi nasa school po si Mori. Don't mind my child na nandyan lang siya sa gilid. Kasi lagi namang umaaligid yung anak ko kapag nag-stream ako. So, why not put her there, sa gilid? Yan. Time out muna na dyan. Pero gagawa din ako ng ni Mori. Parang VTube, PNG tuber niya. Papa-commission na lang ako na gumawa ng ganito ni Mori. Kasi gusto niya rin mag-stream. Gahanap ako ng games na pwede niyang i-stream. With me, of course, kasi natutuwa siya sa microphone. Anyway, yan. So, tuloy natin. We are playing, ano ba to? Coffee Talk. Inumpisahan natin ulit yung Coffee Talk kasi kakabili ko lang nung episode 2 and I forgot the kwento. So, sinimulan ko siya ulit. So, here we are po. Okay, let's continue. Ayan. The only bad customers this late at night are lost drunks or criminals. That sounds really bad. Nah, they're easy to handle. That's because you're good with your fists. Yeah. Not as good as your coffee making skill though. Ang tsaka ko kayang gumawa ng latte art. Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment. You're welcome. Anyway, I really need to start writing. Whatever it is that I'm going to write. Yeah. So, I'll leave you two in the hands of our friendly neighborhood barista. Yes, ginawa pa akong Spider-Man. Where are you going to write? Oh, not far. Just over at the table in the corner. Next to the windows. That's my spot. Okay, have fun. I'll try. Imagine mo ganun yung tawa niya. Tumatawa talaga siya ng ganun. Good luck. Thanks. Oh, umalis na siya. Ito na yung mga lovebirds. Should we move to other seats too? Nah, here is good. Okay then. So how's your day? It was fine. Work was nothing special. I finished my proposal early so I could get out of the office. Plus, my boss was in a really good mood all day. Ooh. I thought your boss was always a happy-go-lucky person. Well, he is. But today he was happier than usual. Baka may jowa na. Balay mo. I'm not sure what happened, but it was great seeing him smile so much. Ayun na yun. What about you? Any problems with your latest client? Yeah, this one is a pain in the ass. You know, those memes that depict terrible clients? Well, she fits all the bills. I could go on forever complaining about her, but that won't help me a bit. We should make a meme about her. And lose my current project for a minute of laughter? That might be worth it. You should ask Mama Mia here how to deal with annoying clients. Sapakan na yan, charot. Oh yeah? How do you usually deal with annoying customers? The ones you don't need your fist to take care of. I do have my own methods, but it wouldn't be wise to talk about customers to other customers. Now, that's one good lesson to learn for the day. Ang cute ng phone niya, may sungay. Sagutin niyo na. Your parents? Yeah. Ay, ito pala, oo, naalala ko itong dalawang to. Ito yung Forbidden Love. Kasi Elf, itong si Koya, tapos itong si Ate Girl, I forgot. So, you've talked to them? I did. It didn't end well? No. What did they say? Oh, Elf yung isa. Itong si Ate Girl. Ano to? Ano yung isa? Ay. Hoy, ano yung sinasabi nyo dyan? Ha? Wholesome dapat dito, ha? Wholesome. Succubus ba to? May horn? Hoy! Ano yang may horn? Nakakaloka yung horny. Ayun. Kaya pala sabi dito, palitan ko daw yung ano ko, kasi daw matured related video game. Kaya naman pala. Alangan namang may trumpet. Yun lang, trumpet. Torotot. Baileys. They won't give us a chance at all? Oh! Leon! Oh! Ay, hello, Rowan! Ba't hindi tumunog yung Jerbas? Kasi baka wala si Mori. May mga ano pala ako. Ay, putang ina mo eh. Ayun na! Yun na, I heard it. Late lang. Si Jerbes ay nasa school. Yun na yung tawag sa anak eh. Nasa school si Jerbes. Diyos ko. Pero hello, welcome po. Hindi gumagana yung shoutout ko. Pinifigure out ko pa kung paano ko siya gagawin. Pero yon. Tinawag talaga niyang Jerbes yung Junaid. Paano Jerbes ng Jerbes? Yung Jerbes na mahilig sa mangustin. 괜찮아요. Teka nga. Hindi ko marinig, so lakasan muna natin. Teka lang guys. Options. Ito yung kailangan kong hinaan. Kasi malakas siya sa pandinig ko. Ayan. Yo, hey. Para marinig nyo din yung sound effects kasi hininaan ko ata dito sa desktop audio. Teka. Sandali lang. Ayan. Brewpad? Ano yan? Parang Wattpad? Yeah, oo. Parang gano'n. Tsaka yung Tomodachil, ang cute. Tomodachil. So, meron na tayong friends. Meron na talaga. Friends only. Okay? So, meron si Georgie, si Gayla, si Lua, ang taray. Para siyang Facebook. Tomodachi. October 2, close friends. Oh. Si Baileys, ang taray. Ang dami ko nakikitang ganito ang profile picture. Pag kayo. Dual SIM pa ang gagaw. Oh, dual SIM. Anyways, that's what they said. Ano daw pala, hindi daw pala agree yung parents. Strict ang parents ni Lua. Ayaw nung parents ni Lua kay Baileys. Ayan. More or less the same. I got into a fight with my old man. That's why I'm staying at Farron's place now. They kick you out? You don't have to do this, you know. They're your family. I can't stand even one more second being a part of them. Hala, rebelde. I might not have a stable income, but I can manage. But still, you don't know what they said about you last night. Hala. I'm sorry. What did they say about me? Ta naman tong si girl, tatanungin pa eh. Or about my race, I assume. Lovers daw sila. Lovers. Secret lovers. That's what they are. On. I wanna know what love is. Just the same old shit, sabi. Mumbling about how elves are holy creatures. Oh! About our immortality. O di kayo ng immortal. How about how even if I outlive you? Damn! What? Nothing. About how if you outlive me, no other elves would want to be an elf. That's already been tainted by a lowly succubus. Ah! So, succubus siya. Demonyo naman si ate. Ay. Succubus daw si ate girl. Oh my gosh. So, parang holy creature and holy shit. Charot. Isa siyang demons. That's exactly what they said. Oh no. Hala, maghihiwalay pa sila? Pero ba sa kwento nito maghihiwalay sila? Ang saya mo na naman eh. Natawa sa dibi. Hindi ko lang in-expect yung debil. So this is it then. Hala, huwag kayo maghiwalay. Ah! Kasi sabi ko lang, the end of our relationship. It doesn't have to be. You know, our families will never agree. We can just continue like this. What do you mean? They don't need to know that we're still dating. We can just continue the way we've always been without them knowing. And then what? What do you want? Do you want to be hiding a relationship for the rest of eternity? We're not like humans, you know. We can't just elope. What's elope? And you won't get permission because you're too old. They will not agree. Tanan. Okay. Tanan. Yung pala English ng tanan. Tanananan. Happy birthday. Okay, I will stop. Anyways, yung parents daw kasi nila, they will not agree. They will not agree daw kasi elves and demons hindi daw pwedeng magsama together. So, opinionated masyado ang family ng both parties. And that's creating friction sa kanilang relationship. Oh my gosh, the tea! Pag mga ganitong mga harutan, oh my gosh. Sabihan ka ba namang you're too old? Ay, anyways, hello Frankie. Thank you so much for the assistance. Wow. Translation, thank you. I don't care about their permission. Ito na. Ayaw ni Kuya. Gusto niya pa rin ituloy ang kanilang relasyon. I'll be glad to sever my family ties if I have to. I can't let you do that. You'll lose your immortality. If I get to spend my life with you, I don't mind. Ang taray! Kinikilig na naman. Teka, naiihi lang pala ako. Sandali. BRB, naiihi ang tao. Sandali lang.
Like a monkey, I'm intense.
Hello, grabe. Wala na nga heartbeat. Nakikita niya pa tayo. GG.
Alis na ako.
Oh shit! Gago! Nagulat ako! Kasi 'di ba, doon sa Ala, ito na naman! Charis. Sabay hampas.
Ay, hindi na makakagalaw si Charis dyan, no? Hindi na. Ayun lang.
Ay, sino yun? True. Dahil lagi kino-comment yan, sasabihin, what's your name? My name is Mama Mia. Uy!
When you have
Pogi!
to see what
Ay, sorry.
stay
I'm married.
real. Dance in the dark. Make it a showtime. Give the rock.
Ipan. Paano pa kaya sa second, third, and... Ah! Putang ina mo ka, gago ka, hayop! Oh God, shit. Oh my God, Mori-chan. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Sorry, Mori. Nagulat si Mori. Sabayan mo. Ah! Putang ina ka! La! La! Dalawa kami ni Mori yung nagulat. Sandali lang! Sandali lang! Sandali! Putang ina! Nagulat kami ni Mori. Legit yan, legit!
Hoy!
What the hell was that? My God!
Ang sakit ng baga ko, sandali. Sandali lang.
Parang ang dami shades. Mamaya dun gago pre. G? G ka mamaya? G pre. Tayo na naging unggoy ang putik. Yung konyo nyo nag-evolve patalikod. Ano ba yun? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yung sa industrial siguro.
Okay, we're back. Saan na tayo? Ayan. Low. Okay. Ano to? Palitan ng salawal ang bata. Papalitan mo yung anak mo? Oo, ng salawal. Papalitan ko siya ng salawal. In fairness, salawal ng anak ko. Ayan. Malakas pala yung volume ng clips mo versus mic ko. Oh! Mas malakas yung... Hello? Okay. Hello? Naka full volume na ata yung mic ko. Or okay lang yung mic ko ngayon? Or mas malakas
Kalbo!
yung... Hey! Mas malakas yung background music? Okay lang yung mic. Yay! Pero malakas yung clips. Okay, sige. Adjust ko na lang siya. Adjust. Mas malakas pa yung kalbon sa mic mo. Ay, ganon! O, sige. Ang ina nun, ba't mas malakas yun? Low? Grabe ka. Eto, okay lang. Mas malakas. Okay. Eto, bawasan natin ng konti. Ang mga stuff. Ayan. Malakas talaga siya. Master siya eh. Master. Ayan. Para ano? So, bali yung redeems and yung clips mas malakas. Okay. Okay lang. Para magulat din kayo. Ano, ako lang? Dapat kayo din. Kung nagugulat kayo ng play, ano? Oh, dapat kayo din. Ano, ako lang? Hindi pwede. Kayo din dapat. Isa sa mga pinaka-favorite ko na redeemables yan. Buwisit na bata. Teka lang! My God! Ayan. Okay. Saan ba tayo? Ayan. Do you feel happy when you're with me? Ayan na. A-attend to ng My Chemical Romance concert. Nag-i-emo na eh. Yan na. Of course I do. Then you don't need any more reasons. Reasons! You know we're perfect for each other. Ang taray. Perfect. You don't even need to look deep down. Huy, ano yung deep down? Trust me, we can do this together. Yes! Lakas maka High School Musical. Ano to? Lua. So, anong last name? Dipa? Lua Dipa. Tayo nang yan. Sorry. Lua Dipa. Nakakainis. Ay, di makamove on. Ang bayam. Sana all kasing saya mo tumawa. Ang lungkot naman ng buhay nila kung hindi sila masaya tumawa. Grabe naman yung tawa nila. Grabe yung anong spelling nun? Haha, di ba pagtatawa ka, haha. Pa sila, huhu. Malungkot tumawa. Paano kaya, Lua Dipa. Ganon. Ang lungkot naman nila. Pag na sila tumawa, mamili na lang sila ng isang emosyon. Wag na nilang paguluhin ng buhay nila. Isang emosyon na lang. Tatawa ka ba? Malungkot ka ba? Ganon. Na isa lang. Dami naman emosyon. Pati ba naman emotions na multitasking? Huwag ganon. Isa lang. Lua, wait. What happened, Bella? Umalis siya. Nag-walk out. Hindi siya nagbayad. I'm sorry you had to listen to our problems. No problem. Pero magbayad kayo. That's all right. This coffee shop has seen all kinds of stories. I do hope yours will have a happy ending. Heh. I hope so too. Alam mo, yung mukha niya, slay. Do you have any alcohol? Ano yun? Rubbing alcohol. Sadly, no. That's a bummer. Well, do you have anything that's warm and can calm me down? Do you like green tea lattes? Yun nga yung sinerve ko sa kanya eh. Green tea lattes, I'll take one. Hala, yun nga yung sinerve ko, ayaw niya eh. Bonakid. Bonakid. Green tea latte. Ay, hindi. Ayoko yan. Mali. Green tea latte. Tingnan natin. Paano yung green tea latte? Green tea milk. Green tea milk daw. Is that espresso? Green tea milk. Yan. Para kay Prop. Huwag na mag-latte art. Hayop din. Here's your green tea latte. This is good. Thank you for this. Yan. Kakulay nung green tea yung scarf and bag mo. By the way, are you married? Baileys, pangalang lasing. Me? No. Do you have someone you love? Uy, yung taray. I love this coffee shop. Boo! I I'm sure that's not the answer you're looking for. Heh, I didn't really have any expectations. Ay, sorry naman daw. Man, out of all the people in the world, why did I fall for her? You can't choose who you fall in love with. True. You can if you try hard enough. At least that's what my old man said. Nah. He is one pretentious elf. But I guess all of them are entitled, pretentious, immortal douchebags. Damn. Ayaw niya sa race niya. At least you have an eternity to learn and change. Or an eternity to be an eternal asshole. Ay, mamili ka. Katulad ng sabi ko, isa lang. Anyway, I need to go now. And probably drink myself until the sun rises. Ayaw niya sa race niya. Hindi siya makatakbo. Sa race, baka kasi matalo siya. First place lang ata ang second place, sir, siya. There's still a while until sunrise. More time for me to drink then. See you around. See you around too, Miss Freya. Thank you. Do visit again. Mga hindi nagbabayad ba? Oh. You were listening from the corner? Yes. Poor souls. I hope they find a way to be together. Me too. Anyway, I need to leave. So, lasinggero nga siya. Totoo, lasinggero nga siya. Iinom daw siya eh. Chismosa ang po. Eavesdropper si Manang Freya. I have to get up earlier than usual tomorrow. Okay, nakakuha na kasi ng scope, kaya aalis na siya. I think I'm going to close the shop up. Shut up? I think I'm going to close the shop up after this. Ano ba yan? Tongue twister. That's pretty early. I know. May chismis na kasing nakuha. After the rest of the deliveries come in tomorrow, I'll open as usual. Okay, you have a good night then. You too. Wow. Alright guys, that concludes our first day. And unfortunately, ako po ay mag-end stream na kasi magsusundo po ako ng bata. Susunduin ko na si Jerbes. Palitan ko na yung pangalan ng anak ko. Gawin ko ng Jerbes. Oh my God. Jebs Dropper. Oo, tuwing stream. Tignan ko mamaya kung magsistream si Torap. Anytime na nanonood ako ng stream. Lagi yan. Mami, I'm done. Gaganon siya. Parang, ang ginawa mo? Poop. Alam na. Welcome to Jebs. Oy, napanood ko yun. Nakalurk lang ako kagabi dun sa Jerbs to Holiday ninyo kagabi. Nanonood ako. Nakalurk lang ako. Tawan-tawa nga ako. Lagi kang sigaw ng sigaw. Sa'yo na pupunta yung mga driver na galit, yung sumisigaw, ganon. Nothing beats a Jerbs to Holiday. Yeah, so kamusta naman ang lalamunan mo? Sana okay lang. Ayan. Kasi sigaw ka ng sigaw kagabi. Natatawa ako, pero kasi Monday hindi ako maka-out. Hindi ako maka-log out at sumali sa chikahan. Ayan. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for dropping by the stream. Save muna natin to. Paano ba mag-save? Okay naman, medyo dry dahil sa weather. Ang taray nung dry. Teka. Ang taray naman nung dry. Kasi, ewan ko din nilalamunan ko, parang din eh. Parang si Raulo din eh. Kasi, sakit nilalamunan ko. Sabi ko kay Popster kanina, parang magkakasakit ata ako. Pero anyway, anyways guys, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa stream and for welcoming me back. Welcoming me back and welcome back to you. Okay. So maraming salamat po. Hopefully makapag-stream ako again tomorrow. Cute ng echo mo, para kang perpetually nasa Teka. Nasa banyo. So, kung yung anak ko, tayo sa banyo, ako naman po ay nagsistream sa banyo. Ililipat ko na yung computer ko sa banyo. Patayin ko ba? Parang ang cute kasi. Actually, yung dino-go for ko is konsensya. Tangina, napunta pa ako ng banyo. Ba yan? Kaya pala may udto 3. Gusto ko kasi yung impression na parang konsensya. Ay! Yun. Konsensya type of voice over. Panis yung bedroom voice. Ito kasi talaga yung gusto ko. Gusto ko kasi makonsensya kayo sa mga pinagagagawa ninyo. Yun lang naman ang gusto ko. Pero putya, parang padpad tayo sa banyo. Ano to? Nasamid ako po. Anyways, guys, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin sa stream at sa mga pasamid-samid sa gilid. Yan, maraming salamat po guys. See you again tomorrow. Sabi ng konsensya ni Mori, Jumeps ka na. Umiiyak. Okay guys, asa na ba si Mami? Oo nga eh. Di bali 4 o'clock naman ang uwian niya. So, may time pa naman. Meron pa akong 20 minutes. Tagal ng outro. Tangin na kasi! Nag-outro na nga ako. Tangin na may may pabanyo pa eh. Ba yan? Okay na eh. Nag-goodbye na ako. Bigla na sinabing banyo. Banyo voice. Anyways, bye guys! See you again tomorrow. Hopefully. Bye-bye! Thank you!